What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the entire cryptocurrency market. I am smiling because things have been just looking so wonderful across the market. Bitcoin up 18.3% in the previous 7 days. Ethereum up 23% in the past 7 days as well. Everything is just bouncing right off of, some really decent levels of support. And of course, our baby SHIB is doing the exact same, up 19% on a 7 day, up 20% literally seconds later. Things are looking great in the overall cryptocurrency market. And we are finding, again, we're testing higher lows, which is always one of the most bullish technical signs you can ever find across any technical analysis is when you're starting to test higher lows. So when you find new levels of support at right around 740 Satoshi units, it potentially seems like, again, we're bouncing right off of these different support lines as the market sells off a little bit. We see, new higher levels of support. So for all of us that have been holding, I want to say congratulations to the SHIB Army. You guys have been nothing but phenomenal and supportive to each other and to myself to keep our diamond hands and our diamond-handed mentality going, especially during those hard times. So make sure you guys understand and know my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And also the Patreon link in the description. I started a Patreon page, so shout out to the 42 people who have joined the Patreon already. But we are looking to start, announcing buys and sells, of course, and put you guys on the plays as soon as I make them. Because again, it's just one other way. If you want to support, here's just an additional way to do so. And also, of course, in the description below, there's a link for Webull. If you want to click the link, sign up, you get 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into Webull brokerage account. Up to $2,300 could be yours. Now, Germany to allow institutional funds to hold up to 20% in cryptocurrency, folks. What did I tell everybody? We need to get in before the whales do. We need to get in before the institutions do. Because till today, we are still very, very, very early in terms of investing into the cryptocurrency market versus the entire global markets that are out there. So again, this is huge by Germany. Germany plans to allow certain institutional funds to invest billions of dollars in crypto assets for the first time in history. A law taking effect today, will let so-called, special funds with fixed investment rules put as much as 20% of their holdings in Bitcoin and other crypto assets. SHIBA INU potentially, and some others as well. The funds, which can only be accessed by institutional investors such as pension companies and insurers, currently manage about 1.8 trillion euros, folks. 2.1 trillion US dollars. Take that for a second. So let's just say they end up, deciding 20% of their holdings are going into crypto. What are we talking? If it's 10%, 210 billion, $410 billion will potentially be coming into the crypto market. Currently sitting at a $1.8 trillion market, we're talking about 25% of the overall crypto market cap might be coming in after the announcement from Germany. That's the kind of thing we want to hear, folks. These are the kind of sentiments that we want to hear. And I am so excited for the future for the Shiba Inu and for Shiba Inu as a token for our ecosystem, for the army, and for all crypto investors out there. Also, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, every single day by day, things are getting better. There's more greed in the market. More people are coming in because they're interested in investing into the space. So again, things are honestly looking so much better. Again, this is updated just as of today. So again, everybody, the ones who've been pouncing with me, because I started making videos literally as the overall market was pretty much bottoming out, and we knew that one day, sometime, the market was going to rebound. We knew it was going to happen, so we established our positions in Shiba Inu. We established our position in Bone. We established our position in Leash, in Ethereum, in Cardano, in Ryoshi, all these other tokens that you guys know that you've been a part of. You guys know I bought Ethereum heavily at 1.8, bought a lot at 2.1, and now holding strong at $3,151 per token. Shiba Inu, we bought heavily at 570 Satoshi units, and now we're just very happy with our gains at 760, hopefully going to be breaking the 800. So when are we expected to take on that next zero so we can go back to having only 4 zeros instead of 5? In my anticipation, the one catalyst that we're waiting for right now that could happen as soon as tomorrow is right here. These folks in front of the screen right now. That is Coinbase Pro listing SHIB for the second time. after delisting us back in June 2021, so about a month and a half ago due to technical difficulties. We've been anticipating and patiently waiting for them to relist us. We know Coinbase Institutional has now allowed big institutions to allow those to start trading SHIB. So now we're waiting for them to also allow SHIB to be traded on their platform, Coinbase Pro, then Coinbase, allowing potentially 56 million more users to buy SHIBA INU. So we're patiently waiting, but I really think in the short term, a zero will be eaten for this cryptocurrency. Another 10x potential in the short term. So I'm really excited, folks. It's been such a fun ride, and it's just, all I can say is it's been fun. I'm enjoying every single day of investing. Anytime I get buying power, every single paycheck, it's dollar cost averaging in, putting in a little bit more, and we've been seeing some phenomenal gains over time. Phenomenal gains. Even Saitama Inu, right? We're not going to single out any crypto. I'm diversified across. Grapefruit token. All of these, we've actually seen a decent ROI, return on our investment. Except a couple, of course, we did make some losses. But overall, when you look at profit loss, things have been looking really, really good in the overall market. And of course, let's just take a quick look at how things are going on SHIBASWAP, right? So for all those of you who are maybe watching for the first time ever, my videos or my channel, you guys know I love utilizing SHIBASWAP with a current $439 million locked within their within the swap here. So as you guys know, I am very, very bullish on SHIB long-term, bone and leash, the three components of this ecosystem as of right now. More to come, of course, but these are the main three as of right now. So if we quickly look at my portfolio, you could see that I currently have $1,138 that I initially invested into the liquidity pools. I've made $1,000 as an ROI, 216 bones and 0.15 Ethereum was my initial investment. I've harvested over 368 bones, folks. 368 bones accumulated literally just as passive income. For me, the best kind of income is the one that you don't have to work very hard for, aka passive income, literally money that you make while you're asleep. Nothing beats that feeling. Trust me on that. So I do have my 9 to 5. I work my job every single day. I have a job, but when it comes to investments, I love the passive aspect of investing. So you guys can see, since the last few weeks now, we've accumulated an additional 50 bones, and we have 246 that are currently on Webull. And I also have some bones buried, and I have some SHIB buried. So again, staking my tokens to actively make additional income, in addition to the potential appreciation value that I see for all these different tokens within the ecosystem. So just quick updates for you guys today. Again, looking forward to seeing that Coinbase listing ASAP. Big institutions getting in, the whales are jumping into the market. So again, for all of us that have been potentially, buying the dip, if you will, or continuously increasing our position size, the return to all-time highs is coming very soon. And I think it's going to hit us by surprise sooner rather than later. Look at this. We were consolidating around 610 Satoshi units for such a long time, but we're finally pulling back up. Look at that, 762. Let's keep the pump going. I love seeing this kind of price action. So today overall has been looking phenomenal. And again, we're consolidating right around a $3 billion market cap, but we're ready for the next step now. We're ready for that next stair step, aka that next zero to be passed and surpassing those all-time highs. And then going back and taking off yet another zero, going to just 3 zeros, maybe taking out another one next year. Who knows? It all depends on the timeline and the success of this cryptocurrency and this community. So from the bottom of my heart to the SHIB army that is out there, the ones who have been supporting me every single day throughout this journey, thank you all so much. We're approaching 64,000 subscribers, well on our way to 100K by the end of the year. So make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.